Hi guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long since I made my last video. I'm sorry for that. But I'm back, and I'm back with the beast, the S10. Samsung Galaxy S10. So yep, it's a normal variant, not the S10 Plus or the S10 5G, and it's 128 GB. As you guys can see, I hope. So I'm gonna unbox this. So yeah, let's begin. Yeah, this is the main beauty, the beast S10, as you guys can see clearly in the camera. Now let's begin. I'm gonna show you basic features of this S10. How good it feels to hold this beauty in hand. But let's first unbox the other things. So what we get is a fast charger, an OTG, upgraded version of AKG headphones, as you guys can see, some earbuds of your own choice to make some replacements if you want, and this is the charging lead of the S10. So I'm gonna put these things aside, and what we have here, we have a pen and some manuals, of course, some instruction, as you guys know. But now let's put these things aside. Let's get to the main beauty, which is the Samsung Galaxy S10. So first of all, I'm gonna reboot it, and let's see how much time it takes to start. This is the Snapdragon version of the S10. It has 855 Snapdragon processor, and that's too much. It consists of 8 GB RAM, 128 GB memory. So yep, let's begin. First of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna enable the fingerprint scanner. Yep. Fingerprint unlock. It's taking a bit, but yep, it's fun to hold this beauty in hand. So yep, I can do anything. Finally, the fingerprint is added. Now let's check how quick it is. And that's very fast. Let's do it once again. As you guys can see, it's very fast. Now let's unlock the phone without going to the lock screen. Oh, sorry. Yep. Now I'm gonna show you the resolution of this S10. So I'm gonna play a video from YouTube. I hope this goes well. As you guys can see, it's look damn good. Especially this notch thing, whatever you can call it, punch hole or the notch. It's like a modern version of the notch. Basically, most of the phones have notches over here, but this has over here. So yep. Let me increase 4K. Yep. You can go to the 4K settings also, but my net is not working very well, so First I'm gonna play this video with normal 720 resolution, then I'm gonna go for the 4K. So let's give it a try. Does it work? My god, that's damn good. I hope you guys can see. Let's play it again. If it works in 4K Ultra HD. Sorry guys, my net is not working very well, but this is what I have. I'm sorry for this thing that's not working. So let's move to the other features of the Samsung Galaxy S10. It has the latest version of the Android, which is Android Pie 9.0. As you guys can see, about phone, software information, one part, the One UI version, sorry, this one, the Android 9, and it has a very good resolution. Let's go to the camera application and test how good the camera is. So what I'm gonna use, it's my iPhone 6 box and iPhone 6, because currently I have these things in my hand. So yep guys, this is the normal camera, the normal one, and this is the 2x zoom. As you guys can see, it is damn clear. Sorry. This is the normal one. This is a 2x zoom. And this is the wide angle. As you guys can see, it is about as long. It's basically like a human eye. The view you get from a human eye is same as the view you get from this third camera. So let's do it again. Normal zoom, 2x zoom, and the human eye. Yeah, that's damn good. So this is 2x zoom, the human eye. So this is the camera application, and what other features we get here is the live focus. Yep, most phones of Samsung Galaxy families have these features. Super slow-mo, as you guys know, the S9 introduced the super slow motion, and it's the same in S10. There is not much difference. It can also record super slow motion at 960 FPS. So yep, there is no change this year. Panorama shot, the food shot, yeah. Let's check the resolution of the video settings. So you can record video full HD about 920 to 1080 pixels, and full by 2288 multiplied by 1080. And where's the other thing? Basically you can get the perfect video from this phone, because this phone is a beast. So now I'm gonna make a picture of my headphones. Yep, this is 2x zoom, this is the normal camera, this is the human eye. Guys, it looks so cool doing this stuff. So now let's test the sound quality of this beast. So first of all, I'm gonna go into YouTube and see sounds. Yep, sound quality is also very good, as you guys can hear. Basically, the difference between the S10 and all the old S family's phone is this thing, the notch thing. It's the Infinity O display, and I think Infinity U, I don't know it very properly, but so yep, this year they have removed all the bezels. So S9 was having the bezels still here and till here. Now this year they have put the camera over here and remove all the bezels. So yep, this beast has a perfect screen, as you guys can see. Screen, it has a, I think 90 to 10% screen to body ratio, and that's very good. So what I'm gonna do next is you can also change the settings of the display from going to screen resolution. So it's WQHD plus resolution is the higher resolution on a phone. Yep, I've enabled this resolution, but you can also go to full HD plus or HD to consume your to secure your battery, to protect your battery, because it takes a lot of battery when you are in the WQHD plus mode. But this phone doesn't have much battery. It have 3400 milliampere battery in 2019. This is a disadvantage of the S10, but the S10 Plus has 3700 milliampere and the S10 5G has, I guess, 4500 milliampere battery, and that's too much. So yep guys, this was my review on the Samsung Galaxy S10. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.